Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about FRMI stock and key level to watch May 1, 2026. In the last trading session, the stock formed a bullish candle closed at $5.13. On the weekly time frame, the stock is in downtrend, forming low. The support level is $4.38. On the daily time frame, if the price goes below its support level, it could go lower. The key resistance level is $6.2. If the price breaks above $6.2, it could test $7.09. That's my view on FRMI stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more update. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.